Galicia, Dubai is the United Arab Emirates holiday hotspot. The city of high-rises and shopping malls has transformed itself from a desert outpost to a destination de jour, where tourists flock for sales bargains, sunshine, and family fun. Dubai is famous for sightseeing attractions such as the Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building, and shopping malls that come complete with mammoth aquariums and indoor ski slopes. But this city has many cultural highlights and things to do, as well as all the glamorous modern add-ons. Today we'll have a closer look at the 10 must-see destinations in Dubai. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's get into it. Dubai Frame. Sitting slap bang between Dubai's older neighborhoods clustered around the creek and the city's modern sprawl, this ginormous 150-meter high picture frame is one of the Dubai's latest sights. Inside, a series of galleries whisk you through the city's history and explore Emirate heritage before you travel up to the sky deck, where there are fantastic panoramas of both old and new Dubai to be snapped on the viewing platforms. Ras Al Khor Wildlife Sanctuary. You don't have to go far away from the skyscrapers to soak up a more natural vista. The Ras Al Khor Wildlife Sanctuary incorporates the mangrove forests and wetlands of Dubai Creek. An important stop off on the migration routes, it's a prime place to spot flamingos in winter when massive flocks of these majestic pink birds wade through lagoons, backdropped by soaring high rises. Number 8. Dubai Creek and Al Seef District. Dubai Creek separates the city into two towns, with Deira to the north and Bur Dubai to the south. The creek has been an influential element in the city's growth, first attracting settlers here to fish and pearl dive. You can visit here, watching cargo being loaded and unloaded on and off the throws. Though workers often invite visitors onto the vessels for a tour, where you can gain insight into the life of these traditional sailors. Many of the throws here travel onward to Kuwait, Iran, Oman, India, and down to Africa's Horn. This city, remnant of Dubai's traditional economy, is still a bustling and fascinating place to wander around. Number 7. Dubai Miracle Garden. This is the zaydiest garden ever. Not content with constructing the world's largest building in malls, Dubai has created the world's largest flower garden, spanning 2,000 square meters and home to a reputed 100 million flowers. Everything that can be covered with flowers has been, from twee English-style cottages to windmills and trucks. There's even a flower version of the Burj Khalifa. Stroll the walkways and enjoy the rite of color and the wacky flower displays. Number 6. Tour Jumeirah Mosque. Jumeirah Mosque is considered by many to be the most beautiful of Dubai's mosques. An exact copy of Cairo's Al-Jar Mosque, which is 8 times its size, the Jumeirah Mosque is a fine example of Islamic architecture. The stone structure is built in the medieval Fatimid tradition, with 2 minarets that display the subtle details in the stonework. It is particularly attractive in the evening when lit with floodlights. Number 5. Souks of Deira. Deira lies on the northern bank of the Dubai Creek, and the winding streets here unveil the melting pot of different nationalities that have come to call Dubai home. On the shore, ancient throws load and unload with modern banks, hotels, and office buildings as a backdrop. For travelers, Deira is most famous for its traditional souks, markets, which bustle with shoppers at all times of the day. Deira Gold Souk is world-renowned as the largest gold bazaar in the world. The Deira Spike Souk sells every imaginable spice, with stalls overflowing with bags of frankincense, cumin, paprika, saffron, sumac, and thyme, as well as the fragrant outwood, rosewater, and incense. The fish market provides a much less touristy experience, so stroll the markets and be fascinated by all the things you can find on sale here. Number 4. Al Fahidi Quarter. The Al Fahidi Quarter, previously known and sometimes still referred to as the Bastekia neighborhood, was built in the late 19th century to be home of the wealthy Persian merchants who dealt mainly in pearls and textiles and were lured to Dubai because of the tax-free trading and access to Dubai Creek. Lined with distinct Arabian architecture, the narrow lanes are highly evocative of a bygone and much slower age in Dubai's history. Number 3. Dubai Museum. Dubai's excellent museum is housed in the Al Fahid Fort, built in 1787 to defend Dubai Creek. The fort's walls are built out of traditional Khor blocks and held together with lime. The upper floor is supported by wooden poles and the ceiling is constructed from palm fronds, mud, and plaster. Number 2. Dubai Aquarium. One of the city's top tourist attractions, the Dubai Aquarium houses 140 species of sea life in the huge suspended tank on the ground floor of the Dubai Mall. As well as free viewing from the mall, if you enter the underwater zoo, you can walk through the aquarium tunnels. Different activities help you get a closer look at the sea life. Glass-bottom boat tours on top of the tank are particularly popular. Cage snorkeling and shark diving activities are also on offer. Number 1. Burj Khalifa. Dubai's landmark building and major tourist attraction is the Burj Khalifa, which at 829.8 meters is the tallest building in the world and the most famous of the city's points of interest. For visitors, a trip to the observation deck on the 124th floor here is a must-do while in the city. The views across the city's skyline from this bird's-eye view perspective are simply staggering. The slick observation deck experience includes a multimedia presentation on both Dubai and the building of the Burj Khalifa, completed in 2010, before a high-speed elevator whizzes you up to the observation deck for those 360-degree views out across the skyscrapers to the desert on one side and the ocean on the other. If you enjoyed getting to know these fantastic spots in Dubai, share this video with your friends and hit the like button and subscribe button. Stay tuned to learn more about the fascinating places you can visit around the world. I'll see you in the next video.